Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have this beautiful set for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'll be starting with my Glitter Planet UK's gel brush. This is the number 8 gel brush. And I'm also going to be going in with Pump Up the Jam. And I'm going to be applying this on the bottom half of my ring finger and my pointer finger. And I'm not going to give it a cure because I am doing an ombre. So I'm just going to apply that color. And then we're going to move on to the next color. And the next color that I'm using for this set is Sassy Squash. You guys, listen, look at that color. Absolutely beautiful, just like Pump Up the Jam. Like, I can't take these colors. I'm so excited. So I'm going to apply this right next to that color, Pump Up and Jam. The jam. And I'm not curing these colors. I'm just applying them. And then I'm going to move on to the next color. The next color we're using is Downward Dog. This is the Light Elegance Buttercreams. It's beautiful. It's this nice like burnt orange color, so it worked perfect for this set. So I'm going to apply this on my nails as well. Once again, I know I don't have to keep telling you guys, but I am not curing in between all of these colors. And now I'm going to go in with the last color, which is Sunbum. Look at Sunbum, you guys. So beautiful, like perfect for fall. Absolutely perfect for this time of the year. So I'm going to be applying this on the tips of my nails, as you guys can see right here. And then after I'm done applying this color, I'm going to be using my Born Pretty's ombre brush and I'm going to blend these colors together. So I forgot to show you guys the ombre brush, but you guys all know what it looks like. So I'm just going to go in and blend these colors together. In between the colors, obviously I'm wiping the excess gel off because I don't want it to go into the next layer. So I'm going to blend those colors together. Then I'm going to give it a full cure in my light for 30 seconds. I just want to say I'm so happy to be back, and I feel like filming a video and doing the voiceover, you know, like I felt like a child trying to do it again. Like trying to get back into the swing of things kind of made me feel like a child. But anyway, moving forward, we're going to use all these colors again. So Pump Up the Jam, and we're going to use Sassy Squash, Downward Dog, and Sunbum. And we're going to do ombre. I'm going to go in with that second layer of my ombre so I can make it look more opaque, make it look more nice. So that's what we're doing here. I'm just showing you guys all of the colors really quick. And then we're going to get into the second coat. You guys have to let me know what you guys are into. I feel like I've been gone for so long, even though it hasn't been that long, but it just feels like a really long time. So I did take a much needed break. I appreciate you guys working with me. Stay tuned for my next video because you guys are absolutely going to love it. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss it. And yeah, I just been living my life, trying to do as much as I possibly can without overexerting myself in this time of my life. So thank you for everybody. Thank you for everybody reaching out to me, wondering if I'm doing okay. Yes, I'm fine, and I just appreciate you guys all. So I thought to give you guys a sunset kind of vibe set that I think is perfect for fall because of the colors that I'm using. Like, it's still really bright, but at the same time it's still kind of like that fall-ish colors. Like, oh my gosh, I'm here for it. And I was like, September always confuses me on nail designs. Like, should I start Halloween designs? No, I shouldn't start Halloween designs. Should I get into my fall colors, but I still want to wear my bright colors? Like, it's just a weird time for me. So I thought this set was absolutely perfect for this time of year. It's still kind of bright, but it has that fall aspect to it. Then it has the black in there. It's so perfect. I think it goes really well together. And now I'm going to go in with my black tie buttercreams. This is I just said black tie. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to be applying this on my pinky and my middle finger. And then I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go back in with black tie, and I'm going to do a second coat. Once I'm done applying this, I'm going to give it another cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my E-Nail Couture Super Shiny, and I'm just going to be applying this on my ombre nails. So that's going to be my ring finger, my pointer finger, and my thumb. And before I cure that, I'm going to go in with my Gel Bottle Inks matte top coat, and I'm going to be applying that on the black nails, and then I'm going to give it all a full cure in my light for 60 seconds. Now after everything's done curing, I'm going to take my Young Nails micro detailer brush, and I'm also going to go in with my Wildflower paint in just the black. And then I'm going to be doing a design on my pointer finger and my ring finger and my thumb. So it's just like this, you know, beach vibe, sunset. Like I don't know, guys, but that's the vibe that I'm getting here. So I just wanted to do something. I honestly wanted to stamp this, but I was like, no, you guys have been waiting. So I'm going to do the best that I can by actually doing it with my hands. So I hope you guys enjoy hand painted art. It's definitely not perfect, but I feel like it made the set that much better because I actually did it instead of stamping it. So you guys will see me do it again here on my thumb. Just look at that ombre. Sorry, I just love this ombre. I love the 4 colors. Like, it's just so beautiful to me. So I'm going to go in, and what I'm doing is I'm just going to apply some lines on my nails, and then I'm going to go back in and perfect the nail art off camera and make it look more like leaves, because you know everything is definitely easier off camera. But yeah, so I go in, mark where I want the actual leaves to be, and then I'm going to go back in and make them actual look like leaves. So you guys don't see that part, but you see the final results, which is what I did there. So these are my final results. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.